Prep your bottoms by sewing or serging along the crotch seam. Leave a 1-inch gap in one of the fabrics. Place your fabrics right sides together and pin or clip along each of the leg openings. Sew or serge to complete the seam. Add elastic to the seam for additional support. Pull your bottoms right sides out through the crotch of the bottoms. Place your bottoms so that the side seams are open. Match like fabric to like fabric. So in this video, I'm matching the flamingo fabric right sides together to the flamingo fabric and the black fabric right sides together with the black fabric. Pin or clip along each side. Sew or serge to complete this seam. Turn your bottoms right sides out. Locate the hole that was left in the crotch of one of the fabrics. Pull the bottoms through that hole. Now here is the trickiest part of reversible bottoms. In order to complete the waist, we need the front of the flamingo fabric to be sewn to the front of the black fabric. In order to do this, squish the guts of your fabric between the two layers and match the front of the flamingo to the front of the black fabric. Pin or clip along the raw edge of the waist. Continue pinning or clipping the right sides of the flamingo fabric to the right sides of the black fabric along the raw edge. You will need to pull the fabric from this little tunnel that we've created in order to do that. It may seem weird at first, but continue going and you'll see in the end that you've created a continuous loop by doing this. Once you meet back up with your original pin, you're ready to sew or serge to complete this seam. You can add 1/4-inch elastic to the seam for additional support. When you're completing this seam, you will pull through the tunnel just like we did while we were pinning. To complete your reversible bottoms, locate the hole in the crotch that was left. Pull the fabric through that hole and turn your bottoms right side out. To close the hole in the crotch, you can use a zigzag stitch. Be mindful of your bobbin thread. You can use a ladder stitch, or you can just top stitch with a straight stitch. It's however you would like. Remember, this is not a space that will be seen. Here is an example of what your reversible bottoms can do.